Don't try to be a student. Yes, don't be a student. Try to be a learner. What is the difference between student and learner? My dear brothers and sisters, there is far difference between student and learner. Every person who takes admission in certain school or college or university or in any another institute, we call him student. But perhaps he is not a learner. There is various type of students. There is some students, uh, it is enough for them, they got identity of study, recognition of study. It is enough for them. We call them student, and he introduce himself as a student. It is enough for him. But we call him student. And there is another type of students. They have no any relation between study and themselves. They are busy with another thing. But they are students because they got admission in certain institute. And there is another type of students. They are certificate oriented students. Yes, certificate oriented students. They have no any intention to acquire knowledge or to learn something. It is enough for them to get certain level of certificates. But they are also students. And there is another group of students. They are marks oriented students. They want to pass in exam. Just it is enough for them to be pass in exam. And there is very few number of students. They are knowledge oriented students. They want to learn something. They want to acquire certain level of knowledge, and they want to develop a certain skill. They are really learner. They are learner. So learner should be knowledge oriented. But student could be Facebook oriented. Student could be YouTube oriented. Student could be entertainment oriented. Students could be anything else oriented. But learner must be knowledge oriented. So my dear brothers and sisters, try to be learner. Don't try to be student. Thank you very much.